Network Entertainment.
Chinky, kahit anong sipag ko, kahit anong tiyaga ko, wala pa rin nangyayari. Hindi pa rin ako maasenso. Alam mo ba? Hindi ka kulang sa sipag. Baka kulang ka lang sa awareness.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan. Welcome to the Chink Positive Podcast. Thank you very much for making this podcast on the top 100 podcasts here in the Philippines. So if you are a follower and if you are visiting us for the very first time, please do follow this podcast. Pwede ba magpakatotoo? Magpakatotoo in the sense na maraming tao ngayon po, sobrang sipag, grabe, sobrang tiyaga. Ang aga gumising, overtime, sideline, no? Wala nang ang tulog eh. Pero hindi pa napapansin kahit anong hardworking, di ba, na effect. Pero hirap pa rin financially, di ba? Parating pagod, walang peace of mind. At ito yung pinakamasakit. Minsan, habang tumatagal to, iniisip mo tuloy, di ba? Anong kulang sa akin? Kulang pa ba ako sa effort? Hindi na ako natutulog? Hindi ba ako magaling? Pero what if, let me tell you this, hindi sipag ang kulang mo, kundi awareness. Kasi, alam mo, if you're not aware of something, you will not be able to fix it. And this is the hidden problem. Kasi maraming taong masipag, do you agree? Kargador, masipag, di ba? Pintor, masipag, di ba? Pero hindi sila aware sa mga patterns nila. Now, like for example, hindi sila aware saan pupunta pera nila. Hindi sila nila aware, di ba? Kung kailan sila napapagastos. Hindi sila aware, di ba? Na talagang, yun nga, the problem is not their income. The problem is how they handle the income. And this is the dangerous part eh. Kahit gaano ka kasipag, pero kung meron kang wrong financial patterns and financial leaks, maniwala ka. Maniwala ka. Hindi talaga maayos yan. Yung parang, yung sa baso na gusto mo mapuno, todo lagay ng tubig, pero nauubos dahil may butas. I can still remember, no? I myself, sobrang sipag ako. Di ba? I turn day into night, night into day, di ba? Racket dito, racket doon. Pero yun nga, the question is, hanggang, yun nga, there was a season I asked myself, bakit di ko pa tinatamaan yung income ko? And doon ko na-realize, ito yung problema ko. I was a jack of all trades, master of none. I've been doing the wrong things na benta ako kahit na ano. Kasi mindset ko, konti kita dito, konti kita dito, konti kita para grupo laki kita. Pero alam mo nang tunay na nangyari? Konti lugi, grupo laki lugi. I was a jack of all trades, master of none. Until such time na confront ako ng isang mentor ko na walang iba, siguro yung Francis Kong. Sinabi niya, alam mo, Chinky, your problem is you're the focus. Kailangan focus ka. Once you're focused on something, focus on something that you're good at. So, focus on something that you can be proud of and be the best at what you're doing. Galingan mo. So, basically, that was around, I think, the year 2007 or 2008. Because of that awareness, ginawa ko. Alam mo nangyari? Almost 18 years later, 2026. Whatever you see right now, what I'm doing sa social media, sa podcast, di ba? Sa TV show ko, sa live speaking engagement ko, writing of books, is a product of the word called focus. I just need to focus on something that I'm good at. And one thing that I'm good at is I can take something that is very complicated and make it very simple for people to understand, just like doing this podcast. And since I'm good at what I'm doing, especially in the area of finance and money, then success followed. Di ba? Kaya nga, I want to speak to you right now, kapatid, while you're listening to this podcast one-on-one. Treat this as a coaching session. Let me remind you, maraming taong pagod na magtrabaho, pero hindi nila napapansin. Diba? Ang problem nila is not their lack of income. The problem is yung financial leaks nila, emotional spending nila. At di sila aware na paulit-ulit lang to. Kaya ang solution nila is magdagdag ng kita at sweldo. Pero hindi nila napapansin kapag may butas ang baso, just like what I mentioned, Kahit na maglagay ng tubig sa garapon, sa baso, hindi mapupuno dahil siya ay may butas. Are you aware already? Nagising ka na ba? And then, yun nga, again, let me reiterate, sipag without awareness nakakapagod. Kapag movement, di ba, walang direksyon, nakakapagod. Kapag kita ka ng kita pero may butas ang bulsa, nakakapagod. Kaya nga ito yung mahirap tanggapin. Minsan, kaya tayo overwork. Kasi yun nga, we've been trying to chase the wrong things in life. Kaya tayo stress. Ano yung mga hinahabol natin? Money and success. And this is what I discovered in my 49 years of selling. The more you chase after money and success, the more money and success will run away from you. Ang kailangan pala natin habulin, hindi yung pera at tagumpay. You focus on something that you're good at, which my mentor told me, and focus on becoming the best. And if you are the best at what you're doing, success and money will follow. Kaya ang tanong ko po sa inyo if I ask you right now, one-on-one, di ba? Pag dumating ang sweldo mo, anong unang ginagawa mo? Di ba? Saan napupunta? Oo. Napupunta ba yan sa mga favorite food outlet mo? Favorite coffee mo? Favorite gala mo? O favorite shopping app mo? Kaya kung gusto mong ma-refrain at maintindihan to, alam mo, financial growth is not only about working harder, it's about to be able to see clearly. Magkakaroon ka ng awareness. Ano ba talaga ang problema at ano ang financial leak mo? At kapag aware ka, mas careful ka. Pag aware ka, hindi ka na emotional. Pag aware ka, hindi ka na impulsive. Nagigets nyo? Kaya mga kapatid hindi kulang ka sa sipag. Pagod ka sa kakatrabaho dahil hindi mo nakikita talaga ang tunay mong problema. And minsan, the breakthrough doesn't come from working harder. Nanggagaling yan, basta mas malinaw yung awareness mo at alam mo kung ano ang dapat mong gawin. So, tatanungin kita, ano ang na-realize mo sa session natin na ito? Ano pala ang naging problema mo? Just like my problem was, I tried to pursue success. The ginagawa I was a jack of all trades, master of none. But when I fixed it, it helped me to get what I want. So if this episode spoke to you personally, please, again, follow this podcast. Thank you for making this podcast at the top 100 in Spotify and Apple Podcasts. And also, do me a favor. If this speaks to you, I'm sure it will speak to others. Share this podcast to someone na sobra talagang sipag, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Remember, hard work matters, pero awareness changes everything.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.